This is one of the coolest and rarest Japanese cars I've ever featured on my channel. But what exactly is it? Well, this is a Toyota Vitz.
At first glance, you'd probably call this a Yaris. In Japan though, it's called the Vitz, and this one's no ordinary runaround. This is the ultra-rare TRD Vitz Turbo. Built in tiny numbers by Toyota's racing division, came fitted with bolt-on turbo kit, uprated exhaust, stiffer suspension, lightweight alloys, and TRD aero. It makes around 150 horsepower, weighs just 1,000 kilos, and hits 0 to 60 in around 7 seconds, topping out at 130 miles an hour. It's believed less than 10 of these are currently in the UK.
So, initial impressions of this super rare Japanese import is that it's extremely lively. This car features a lot of modifications straight out of the factory from Toyota. Lots of bits of carbon fibre, rear diffuser, suspension upgrades, and it all makes this car a hell of a lot more interesting than anything you can currently buy today. We often think of the GI Yaris as being the fastest and most interesting Toyota Yaris ever made. It's not though, is it? Because this came first. It's called a Vitz, and it was only available in Japan. We know it more in the UK as a Toyota Yaris. This car is available from my friends at DCY Europe. They've kindly lent me the car for the afternoon and drive this unique and iconic Japanese import. It's an opportunity that not many people will get, and I very doubt that many of you watching this video will have ever heard of it. It is an incredibly cool looking car. I'm super impressed with the way it looks. In terms of other modifications this car has, as you can see, the interior is quite busy. The previous owner has been also very busy in fitting lots of fake carbon fibre bits to it, which I'm not overly a fan of, but it kind of suits the car. It's outrageous. There's boost gauges, there's this sort of sporty steering wheel, carbon fibre steering wheel, which does feel quite nice actually. And the whole car just feels a bit over the top, a bit fast and furious. And I think that's what makes it so fun and special. It's a Fast and Furious car in real life. Amazing. This car is a 1.5 litre turbo. Doesn't sound like a lot, but it kicks out around 160 horsepower, which is a lot of power for a car that doesn't even weigh 1,000 kilograms. This is back when cars were so light, and it's the lightness that makes this car feel so unbelievably special. It feels like you'd have to employ someone to sit on the bonnet to stop it blowing away in a strong breeze. It's that light. And it means the 160 horsepower is plenty. When you put your foot down, there's very little. The turbo comes on and you can feel it pulling hard, propelling the car off into the distance. The other thing worth mentioning is, because this car is from the 2000s, it's extremely tiny. Anyone who's driven the new Yaris will know it's a big car. Every car's got so much bigger these days, and it's nice to finally get back in something that's not only light, but it's tiny. It means you can enjoy roads like we have here without worrying what's coming the other way, because you're definitely going to fit. As much as I love the GI Yaris, this just shows that the DNA of the car was always this one. The DNA of the GI Yaris was the Vitz TRD. You can see that this is where the idea came from. And I don't think I can do a review on this car without mentioning the main thing that appeals to me about it, the way it looks. I mean, just look at it sat there. It's a really cute little car. Its proportions are tiny, but all of its little flares and vents and exhaust, it's all massive. And it just makes it look like a caricature of a car. It's so funny to look at and so cute. It just brings you back to your childhood. If you drew a Toyota Yaris and added loads of bits on when you were a child, and you added little vents and little scoops, I think you'd draw this. I think 10-year-old me would have drawn this car. Definitely. And it's a far cry from the Toyota Yarises that you see holding up people on the roads throughout the week. It's so fun. Yes! It does make you feel like a child driving this car. It really does. And that's just a short drive down a B road, which is what I think this car is all about. It's such hilarious fun. The gearbox is fantastic as well. I've not even mentioned the gearbox. I've not mentioned it. It's got a really nice metal shifter on it, which the previous owner has done. Clunks into gear really nicely. It's a little bit low down for me though, and I feel like I'm sat a little bit too high. Maybe the seat's adjustable, I don't know. I've not been in it long enough. But it's a little bit of a stretch to reach down there, but it's nice, and the metal gear stick I do enjoy. Along with the steering wheel as well. Like I touched on this earlier, he's added a carbon fibre steering wheel, which does feel quite nice. It's nice and small, makes the car feel really direct and pointy on the road. The things that I don't like so much is the little bits of trinkets the guy that's owned it before has done. I'm assuming it's a guy, because no woman would do this. No woman would think, I know what the car needs, more carbon fibre, and they've literally stuck it everywhere. It's all removable though, and I think that's the way I would go. This car is a really nice example. It's been really well put together. It's in really good condition. There's just a few little modifications, a few bits of vinyl carbon that I would just simply peel off. Tried to get this car back to factory standard. And factory standard is still pretty leery, and I think it'd be nice to bring it back to that if I was to buy it. But that's not to everyone's taste. Some people will love this, and I'm not gonna lie, the extra bits of carbon, the vents, the boost gauges, the little screens, they do add a Fast and Furious vibe, which I talked about earlier. Is really fun actually. So maybe some people would like that. It's all personal taste, and this car is begging to be modified. So I think if anyone was to buy it again, they more than likely will carry on. This car will essentially be like the Forth Bridge. It will never be done. Someone will always want to add something else. And the thing that I probably would add, slightly louder exhaust. You'll have heard on the drive-bys, it's not that loud. I expected more from that huge bore on the exhaust. I wanted it to scream and wake up everyone within a 20-mile radius, but it doesn't. That could be a good thing. My wife would say that's a good thing. It's not too loud. I would say make it louder, because when it looks like this, it drives like this, and the turbo comes on like this, I think it needs to make a little bit more noise. So, do I think you should consider a Toyota Vitz TRD? Well, if you're looking for a Japanese import that's exciting to look at and also really exciting to drive, I don't think you can look any further than one of these. It's been an amazing time I've had with this car, and I just want to say once again a massive thank you to DCY for lending me the car. If you want to see more videos like this one and many other car related videos, then please make sure to hit that subscribe button now so you don't miss a single upload. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye. I need you whole. I love you so, I love you so, I love you so.